All right, hocus pocus. Oh, that was weak. Hocus pocus. We are shifting gears officially out of multiplication and division. So it's going to be extra important that every day for our quick practice, you still have fact practice time because we can't forget those facts. And you'll still see them on your homework and remembering and on quizzes and tests. In fact, every quiz from here on out has a front side with your quick quiz 5 questions and a back side with the fluency check. That's either multiplication or division or a mix of both. So we still need to practice them. We still need these facts to be fresh in our brains. So today, your quick practice, I'm going to set 5 minutes on the clock. And I want you to sort through your cards into slow and no piles. And I want you to start keeping track of this. So maybe have a sticky note on your flashcards. And today is 11/2 or November 2nd. And you would write how many are in your slow pile. You want to see that number getting smaller each time. So pull out a sticky. And what you're going to do is for this 5 minutes, you are going to go through your facts and see how many you have in your slow pile versus how many are in your no pile. The goal is that you get through your whole deck. You might not, but you are going to have a slow and then an extra, because that's going to tell you how many you didn't even get through at all, how many are left in your hands. And so, like, if I finish for the day, actually, we'll go ahead and do this, and then I'll do this activity with you today. So, pull out your flashcards. You have 5 minutes of fact practice. When the 5 minutes is over, we're going to go out how to fill out your sticky.
I already did.
So you've got to be focused. You've got to be ready to go. And you may begin. All right, here we go. This is how we are going to fill out our stickies, okay? If I went through my facts, and I'm actually going to show you what I had. Let's say I still have 2 left in my hand. There's 2 facts that I didn't get to. Then what I would do is on my sticky, I'm going to make this a little bigger so you guys can actually see it. On my sticky for today, you should have had today's date, right? And then you would put extras, and then you put slow. And it doesn't matter which comes first. You might have said slow first and then extra. That's okay. So the date, extra, and slow. So we're creating a table here to record our data. I had 2 extra cards that I didn't get to in my deck. Okay? Maybe you got through all of them, so that spot would stay blank, or you could put 0. Then when I look at my piles, I got all these ones, no problem. But I had this one in my slow pile, 1, 2, 3. So what would I put in slow? 3. So tomorrow when I go to do this with my flashcards,
I had 3 too.
for the date, I would put 11,
No,
3,
that's 16.
and then I would record how many extra cards I had in my hand and how many slow cards I had. What do we want to see with these numbers? If I had like 20 in my extra, 20 cards that I didn't get to, what am I hoping my number will look like tomorrow? River? I'm hoping that that number is going to shrink down, right? From 20, maybe I'll get down to like 16 or something. That way I'm getting through more facts. What about my slow pile? What do I want to see that number doing? Raylan? I want to see that shrinking too because I want to know my facts. I want to make sure that every single time that we practice our multiplications, we're getting through more, which means we're getting faster, and we're having less in the slow pile because we just know them. That's our goal. So right now you can fill out your sticky, and then what you'll do is you'll quickly, quietly put your cards back into your flashcard box, and your sticky note, as long as your desk is organized, because we're not going to pull out new stickies every day, you'll actually put your cards in your box, close it, and you'll put that sticky right on your multiplication box. Because it should be sitting in the front part of your desk with your deck of cards stacked on it, right? That's going to keep that sticky note nice and neat and organized so you don't have to worry about it going anywhere.
I can't fit my flashcards.
So go ahead and fill out your sticky note, put it on your box, and then we'll be ready to move on for the day. Online friends, go ahead and do this at home. If you want to put it on a piece of paper to track it also, you can. But start keeping track of how many cards you get through every day and how many are in your slow pile versus ones that you've got memorized, because we want to make sure our facts are top notch as we continue through this year and so that you're ready for 4th grade. Okay?